Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sign up for Wattpad. To begin, simply open your web browser and go to wattpad.com or launch the Wattpad app on your mobile device. Look for the Sign Up button, which is usually prominently displayed on the home page or landing screen. This button will guide you to the account creation process, ensuring you can quickly start your reading and writing journey. We are going to make this process very straightforward. Wattpad provides a few simple options for creating your new account. You can choose to sign up using a traditional email address, which is a common and reliable method. Alternatively, for even quicker access, you have the option to connect your new account directly through your existing Google, Facebook, or Apple profiles. Selecting one of these social login options can save you time, as it often pre-fills some of your details automatically. Pick the method that feels most comfortable and secure for you. Once you have selected your sign-up method, you will be prompted to fill in a few important details. First, choose a unique username that will identify you on the platform. This is how other users will find you. Next, create a strong password to protect your account. Remember to mix letters, numbers, and symbols for best security. Finally, enter your birth date, which helps Wattpad personalize your experience and ensure compliance with online safety guidelines. Double-check all your information before proceeding. After completing your details, a vital step is email verification to fully activate your Wattpad account. Wattpad will send a confirmation email to the address you entered during the registration process. Please check your inbox for this message. If you do not see it immediately, remember to look in your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the provided verification link to confirm your account. This step is essential for accessing all of Wattpad's features and ensuring your account security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.